Here's the next set of data that we want to find the 5-number summary for. Again, we're going to find the minimum, the first quartile, the median, the third quartile, and the maximum. So the first thing we do is we need to find the minimum and max. These ones are easy. This is our min because we already have it in order, and this is our max. All you have to do is put them in order, and you can find min and max really quickly. Now we're going to find the median, so we're going to find the middle number. Okay, so I start here, and then I move in. Ooh, but then I get to these 2 in the middle, right? There's not one number in the middle. So where is my median? Remember, my median is going to be right in between those 2. So what number is right in between those 2? To find the median, I average those 2 middle numbers. So I have 86 plus 87 divided by 2, which is 86.5. So my median is 86.5. Okay, so now to find my first quartile and my third quartile, I split it in half, right? I split the top half from the bottom half. And since there isn't a middle number here, see, I don't have a middle number here, I use all of these in the bottom half and all of these in the top half because there is no middle number that I would have to like pull apart. Like last time I would have had to pull that apart. This time there is no middle number to do that to, so I can just split it directly in half. So I have the top half and I have the bottom half. Just kidding, I said that backwards, the bottom half and the top half. And now I look to find the quartiles, I look for the middle of the bottom and I look for the middle of the top. So if I look for the middle of the bottom, I get here to 79 and 80. And I recognize that those 2 are my 2 middle numbers. So to find quartile 1, I need to find the exact middle or the average between those 2. So I add them together and divide by 2 and I get 79.5. So 79.5 is quartile 1. And then I have the same problem over here that I have 2 middle numbers and I need to find the number that's exactly in between those 2. Now this one's a little bit different because they're not like one apart from each other. So 87 plus 94 divided by 2. And so normally with these ones it's really easy, right? Because it's just halfway in between the 2. But for these ones you can add them together. Let's do that. So 87 plus 94 is 181. We divide that by 2, and that's going to be 90.5. So that's the number that's exactly in between these 2 numbers is 90.5. So quartile 3 is 90.5. So if we were going to summarize our data, we could have our min is 77, our quartile 1 is 79.5, our median is 86.5. Our quartile 3 is 90.5. And our max is 99.